Example 2. This example is related to a bearing failure. Let me explain briefly what is bearing. Bearings are parts that assist objects' rotation. They support the shaft that rotates inside the machinery. And machines that use bearings include automobiles, airplanes, electric generators, and so on. So, let's continue with the example. As I told you before, there are thousands of formats could be found on Google by having same standards, same steps, and same procedure. And this format is different compared to first one and more complicated. Step 0. You will remember when we discussed step 0. Even though content will be different case to case or company to company, but I suggest you to make a brief discussion. Maybe you call some guys experienced in related problem and ask their first impression. Step 1. Establishing the team. The core issue is here, somehow you have to create a team which is capable of understanding the related disciplines such as mechanical engineering or electronics, etc. Experience should be top priority to join the team. For this format, there is also a different section of step 1, team goals. What I really like is one of the team goal defined as write the problem solving in scientific paper. This is totally a high level standard, so I really congratulate the champion or leader of this study. Step 2, problem description. Till now we discussed about our responsibilities, right? But what about the customers or responsible party for problem notification? They have also some responsibilities. Customer has to define the problem clearly as much as possible, and if it is possible, problem effects on different terms should also be defined. For example, let's make a category for problem effects. For end user, machine is stopped and may cause work accident. This is a problem effect on end user. For customer, if customer use these bearings in its manufacturing, production shortage may occur because production cannot proceed to next step without bearing assembly. And for supplier, for you who manufacture these bearings and send to customer, problem effect could be poor quality cost and so on. Also, in case of you receive a problem notification, please ask for detailed pictures as much as possible, like on this example. It really helps you to plan your activities. Let's continue with the step 2, which is problem description. In this example, we use 5W1H format. It means that we ask problem, who, what, where, how, and etc. For example, as a response to what, our answer is supplied part do not meet required quality. But of course, this is not enough. It should include some other details like part ID number or lot number for traceability. And there is also something different, which is, as you see, table is divided into 2 sections, is and is not. This format could be also used in order to minimize misunderstanding. For example, just look at where section. Where was the problem observed? In the bearing, sometime in the outer ring, or in turning, or even in the roller. This answer is under is, but under is not. Where could the problem be located, but is not a problem? In the cage or balls. So for this case, it is useful data while evaluating the problem parts or preparing an instruction for sorting operation. You can distinguish the difference between OK parts and not OK parts easier. And finally, problem description you can write as a summary of the problem. It may also include some technical information. For example, please look at the first part and given information related to general purpose of bearings.